Are ugly radiators spoiling your renovation project? Radiator Cabinets UK can help. If your central heating system is looking a little tired, but still functioning perfectly, why go to the expense of changing all the radiators? Our beautiful radiator cabinets are available in a traditional style, with Regency brass grills, to ultra-modern covers, with geometric patterns and gloss finishes. We can custom make your cabinet in any size, and alter the design to suit awkwardly positioned radiators. We have 3,000 colours to choose from, so can match most designer colours. We offer a simple online ordering service and check all sizes and options with you prior to manufacture. We can double-check your measurements via photos for your peace of mind. Cabinets are delivered fully assembled with the skirting board cutouts pre-done and brackets attached for speedy installation. An installation guide for each cabinet design is available on our website. Still not convinced? Check out our 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Contact us to find out more and let us help add that finishing touch to your makeover project.